Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. So let's start friend. First of all, we will make this rib for the wrist part. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Then we will make 10 chains. After making 10 chains, we will make 2 additional chains and we will make half double crochet from the third chain. We will make 10 half double crochets total in each space. We have to make half double crochets. After making 10 half double crochets, we will make 2 chains and flip the pattern. Now we will make half double crochet in this back loop. This is how you have to make total 10 half double crochets. After making these 10 half double crochets, we will make 2 chains and again we will start making half double crochet in the back loop. Already 2 rows I have done. I will make total 15 rows. You can increase or decrease the number of rows as per the length of your as per the desired length for your wrist. I am making total 15 rows like this. I have made total 15 rows of this back loop crochet. You will see like this. It is covering my wrist. You can increase or decrease as per the size of your wrist. After making this, we will attach here with the slip stitch. After attaching here with the slip stitch, we will make 2 chains and then we will start making double crochet in each space. Like this you will make double crochet in each space. Your double crochets will be the double the number of these rows. After making double crochets, we will attach here with the slip stitch. Then we will make chain 2. Then we will skip 2 space, and in the third space we will make 3 double crochets. Then we will again skip 2 spaces, and in the third space we will make 3 double crochet. We will repeat this row like this only, and we will make, this is the row of double crochets. Before making a thumb, we will make 1 2 3 and 4 rows of these 3 double crochet. In the next row we will make this double crochet, 3 double crochet over 3 double crochet. We have to make total 4 rows. You can decrease or increase the number of rows as per the size of before your thumb. After making these 4 rows, 1 2 3 and 4, we will make a space for a gloves, for a thumbs up. I have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 patterns of 3 double crochets. I will skip this fifth one for a thumb. See here, like this for thumb, and rest we will make a pattern. One double crochet, 2 and 3. In next space, over the top of this, 1 2 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 2 3 and this fourth one. Then I will skip this one, and I will make a double crochet in the next. One, 2 3 and then again we will make a slip stitch here. Then we will again start double crochet and we will start making pattern over these 8 spaces. You can make 4 or 5 rows till it reach your fingers here. I have made total, after this thumbs up space, I have made 1, 2 and 3 rows. One is already done, and then I will make a 2, and your beautiful fingerless mitten is ready. Hope you like my video. Do share it with your friends who are doing crocheting, and if you like my video, please click on like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.